Hi, I'm Amy Wood, salon owner, colour expert and stylist. Today I'm working with Direction's semi-permanent hair colour. We're in the studio with our model Maja, creating two bold, expressive looks that really show off what's possible with Direction's colour range. In preparation, I've lifted Maja's hair with Direction's 20 volume bleach at the roots and then diluted for the rest of the head. We've then rinsed and washed with Direction's pre-colour shampoo before towel drying ready for colour application. Look 1 is called Golden Hour and it's all about bright, feel-good energy. We're starting with a bold, all-over colour using sunflower, a vibrant, sunny yellow that brings instant warmth and impact. This single-tone block colour is punchy, fresh, full of personality, the perfect way to make a statement that captures the essence of summer. Once the colour's set, we'll style everything out and bring the full look to life here in the studio. Then we're moving on to look 2, Amber Bloom. For this one, I'm applying Direction's colour straight over the top of the first look. I'm using tangerine at the root, blending it into apricot, giving us a whole new vibe with just one step. We'll colour and add some tapes, also in apricot, to dial things up again, and then finish the look with soft, textured waves for a cool undone finish with a bit of edge.